Hey guys, Goped Crazy 22 here again. Here's the Goped Riot. I got everything installed. I literally had it running for 15 minutes. I mean, I drove around the neighborhood. This thing has such a crazy hole shot that I almost fell off the back when I took off on it. I mean, it's great. But what I'm trying to tell you is literally while I was driving this thing, it started to kind of bog down, and I could feel the thing dragging like I was almost hitting the brakes. Something wasn't letting it get the top speed, and I thought it was the high-end jet. So I kept adjusting it, and I got to a point where I couldn't get any better on the high-end jet, and I've adjusted them back to the stock settings just to make sure this thing will start up again, but I just cannot get it started. I mean, spark plug works, what's it called? Sparks. There isn't any fuel or anything in here. It's not flooded. I put a paper towel over here and ran it a little bit. Absolutely nothing coming out of it. I removed all this, cleaned it, resetted all the gaskets. Everything's 100% flat. There's no leaks anywhere. The motor turns fine. I mean, here, I'll show you exactly what I mean. The choke's right here, but it actually seems to be worse when I put the choke on right now. See, I could sit there and do that for an hour, and I did do that earlier, and it really pissed me off. But earlier I pulled it and started right away, like one shot, boom, done. Nothing. No, I can't get it to do anything for the life of me. So, I don't know. If you guys know anything, let me know.